Well, you know, Sunnyside is one of my most favorite neighborhoods in Calgary. It's so great to be close to the river, Memorial Drive, close to downtown. You know, in this neighborhood, at one time, it was just full of those tiny little bungalows that they built back in the day on these small lots. And of course, as time has gone by, you can see there's a number of different properties in the area, everything from apartment buildings to newer infills. This home actually offers a lot because it's not on a really large lot, but it is a two-story with a two-car garage. And what we did is we got this house ready to sell by making some improvements inside, and now it's move-in ready. You can just buy this house, move in, and start relaxing and enjoying living in a neighborhood like Sunnyside. So come inside and have a look. I think you're gonna like this one. Well, you know, the main level in this house offers quite a bit. And the first thing you'll notice, we put in brand new vinyl plank flooring, and they look awesome. I mean, these floors are great. We just had the house completely painted as well, got rid of the old dated tan colored paint in here, and now it's this nice neutral colored white. And I love the fact that this home's got a fireplace with a wood insert, and this really can heat up this house nicely in the wintertime when it's really cold outside. So as you move your way from the living room into the kitchen area, there is actually a formal dining area, which is nice to have with a pretty large window. Off of that, you have a half bath and a wet bar that they used to use back in the day. We don't use wet bars too much anymore. And then when we get into the kitchen area, now this kitchen has been updated. It's not the original kitchen, but it is dated. We extended the vinyl plank flooring into the kitchen, but I can tell you this kitchen it's definitely usable. Like, you could just move in and live here, but of course if you wanted to remodel it, it would be really easy to do. But it's nice that this is a move-in ready house, even though you probably would want to update it over time. And I think one of the big bonuses here is there's another eating area or even a small family room off the kitchen as well that leads out through these beautiful French doors onto the private backyard. And this backyard is fantastic because when the foliage comes in the summertime, it is completely private. You can just relax back there. You don't even realize you're in the middle of the city of Calgary when you're sitting back there. Now, coming to the upper level, we just put in brand new neutral colored carpet, like a 60-ounce carpet. It's awesome. And I love how bright it is up here. The ceilings are high, and of course there's a window on the stairway as you're coming up, so there's a lot of natural light coming in here. First thing you notice off to your right, we put new vinyl plank flooring in the bathroom here. This is a full bath with a skylight. So you have tons of natural light coming into this bathroom. And as we make our way down to the master bedroom, we have two pretty large bedrooms in here. You could easily fit a double bed, maybe even a queen in one of these rooms, and they have the high ceilings, so it still feels like the room is quite large. Now the primary bedroom, this is a big room. I mean, you could put a king-size bed in here. Back in the day, somebody did install a large soaker tub, which is in a little bit of a different location that you would normally see in a master bedroom, but it's usable and it's kind of cool. And there's a window there and you could sit and soak and kind of look outside. But you also have an ensuite, and we just put in also the new vinyl plank flooring into this ensuite with a brand new shower and toilet. And you still have those skylights coming in from the top. So lots of natural light into the master ensuite. So it's a cool bedroom. It's really spacious. And you know, the nice thing about this upstairs, it's different. It's trendy from when it was back in the day, but it still really fits into today's style of homes. Well, we're down here in the lower level. And of course, you know, Sunnyside was part of the 2013 floods, and this did have some water in it back in the 2013 flood. The good news is it hasn't happened since. And we have all brand new drywall down here, all brand new furnace, 2 brand new hot water tanks. Everything has been upgraded in this home. Plumbing's been upgraded, electrical's been upgraded. You won't have any problems living here. This may be an older home, but it is solid, it's sound, and structurally fantastic. And I think you just will be able to move in and enjoy without having to invest any more money in. Structurally, probably the only thing you might want to put a little more into is maybe the cosmetic side of it into the kitchen. That's it. Otherwise, it's a fantastic home. You know, it's not easy to get into a single detached family home in Sunnyside for the price range that we're in. This home has great value. So if you want to live in the inner city and you want to have a home that's just move-in ready in the price range that we're in, book your showing today. This home is ready to go. I don't think you're going to find better value in Sunnyside than this house right here, right now. So if you have a real estate agent that you're working with, call your agent, book your showing. If you don't have a real estate agent, call me. I'll arrange for your private viewing whenever it's convenient for you.